Everyone, I want to make a quick video. Diamond Club members, you will be getting everything if you haven't yet when they send all the paperwork over and stuff. But for everyone watching, just so I don't get a million emails, which feel free to email me anytime, it's stockomaniabrother@gmail.com. But we're looking at two things. First, XSP, which is the mini SPX that is here on the left right here. And then we are looking at the VIX, both on a 15-minute time frame with 0 DTE options. So this is the SXP, and this is the spot VIX. So all we're looking at is market makers move. So it will give you an up arrow, meaning sell bull put credit spreads right at 10 a.m. Try to get 20 to 25 cent credit. If you get a down arrow, you're going to sell market maker move. So you would sell a bear call spread. How that is calculating is it is looking at the VIX on a 15-minute time frame. If the VIX closes lower at 10 a.m., lower than the opening level, which is right here, it will trigger an up arrow, meaning get long or sell bull put credit spreads anywhere between 20 to 25 cents. If the VIX closes above, then you want to sell bear call spreads. So all we're doing right now in it is, since the market SPX, XSP, SPY is inverse the VIX and volatility comes down, we want to get long. So we sell the bull put credit spreads. This morning when we got the alert, we were right around here. So we sold today, and I'll 100% be transparent as possible. We sold today the 548 puts and bought the 547 puts. You can see we're already up 50% on the position. Now, why is that? Because the market makers move at the time when we sold it here was all the way down to 548, 547. So now we have a huge cushion. As long as the XSP doesn't move down to 548, we don't have to do anything. We have a $5.70 cushion. Now, how does the VIX play into this? When the volatility comes down, the price of options becomes cheaper. If we can sell expensive options and then have them expire worthless, we get more money. Let me show you what that means on a full chart right here. So if I pull up the VIX, implied volatility, you can see at the open, look how high volatility was, okay? Right here at 10 a.m. Look how high volatility was, and we start coming down. So since we're selling premium or we're selling options, we want to sell the high implied volatility, which is usually the first 30 minutes of the day, and then have it come down and then have it do nothing. That's going to make the price of options, calls, and puts cheaper. And that is the goal. If we're looking at SPX, which I would say if you're doing more than 50 contracts, please do the SPX. Please. It will save you on commission, and you will, make the market for me or for everyone. And you can see it will give you the market makers move, which is about $2.50. So that's $2.50. We're protected over $5. We're good basically. If we do SPX and we're going to get this, actually, it might actually already be. You can see for SPX, we're good for a long, long time. I mean, look at this. We have a huge cushion because in SPX at the time, we did the SPX 5485 puts. So as long as we don't fall like 60 points, we're good. And the market maker move is only 30 points. So it's taking the market maker's move, and that's how we're pricing everything. So we know exactly what to do. And we're taking into the VIX as a study. VIX comes down, market goes up, that inverse correlation. And we can do this every single day with the 0 DTE options. I hope it helps. I'm going to blast this everywhere just because I know I'm going to get a million emails about this and about the strategy. And we're looking to do it right at 10 a.m. If you look at all the fill times, it'll be right at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. If you do it a little sooner, you can if you want to get cute, but just make sure you try to do it right around 10 a.m. because that volatility is going to start coming down. Look at that. Look at this volatility just dump right here. It's exactly what I mean. Look at vol just dump. And I bet you the price of our spread is up 55% now, 60% now, but we're in the beginning of the video. You know, go back, we were probably up 45%. So you see how powerful this is.